Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2024 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to enable or disable the high beam assist. So what is high beam assist? When you are driving in the night and there is no vehicle coming towards you or in front of you, the vehicle will automatically switch to high beams, and if there is a vehicle approaching you, then the high beams will automatically go off. Now in this video I will show you how to turn it on or off. This video should apply to 3rd generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now to access these settings you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. So left, right, and OK button in the middle. You'll be using this OK button to scroll through the options as well. So I will squeeze my phone inside here so you can see it better. So keep pressing the right button until you reach this settings icon, then press OK. Now you want to scroll down all the way to the second page and you will select customize display, and then go again all the way down to operation guidance, and here is the high beam assist. And if I press OK, now it's turned off. This on icon grayed out. If you want to enable it again, just press it, and once it's green, that means it's turned on. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.